Hi, in this tutorial you will learn how to create a Power Apps Developer Plan account so that you can test Power Apps and learn it for free. Let's get started. Click here, Free Power Apps Developer Plan. The good part of this option is that 1. It is free, and 2. It gives you access even to premium features such as Dataverse and Copilot. It is a perfect option if your goal is to learn Power Apps. The downside is that it will not work to create applications to deploy to production for end users. It is just a development environment. If you need to create an application to actually deploy to end users, you will need a premium account. But if your goal is just to learn, this one is perfect for you. An important thing to note is that it will not work with a personal email address such as Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail. You will need a onmicrosoft.com email account. Something like my user at my domain dot onmicrosoft.com, where my user is your name and my domain is the name of your business. In case you already have one, you can use that one. In case you don't have one, you can create one free. To do that, you will need to create a free Microsoft 365 developers account, which is a different one from this Power Apps developer account. For that, you go to the Microsoft 365 developer program page, this one here, and it will open the details of the Microsoft 365 developer program. One important thing to note is that Microsoft 365 developers program is not always opened for new people to join. At the time of this recording, it is closed, so this option will not work. Check if that program is open again by the time you watch this video. Now, assuming the program is opened, click Join Now and fill your data. Once you do that, you will receive a new email address, such as this one. That is the email that you will use to create your Power Apps developer account. Now go back to Power Apps account creation and inform your newly created on Microsoft email, and then you can log into Power Apps.